Well, goodness gracious, the rain and lightning storm must have destroyed this whole highway construction uh panel over here. The rain and lightning destroyed this whole thing in less than 3 days. You have no idea how expensive this is. Well, yes, it's very expensive. And I bet you they don't have no protection on it either. See if they have. I know Genicove is doing construction, but they don't have no yellow things like Houston does. What do you mean? Well, look at it. Normally they have like yellow things to keep someone from putting this on the trailer and stealing. But this is damaged from the rain. Okay. If they would have put a tarp over it, that screen would not have been messed up. But since the highway construction left it out here, now they have to pay for a brand new screen and light bulbs. But it works. It's been raining. Oh, look, a cork. Now, look at that. See, they leave the tractors, okay, for the asphalt, to press the asphalt in an area, and they get rained on all the time. And then they got to send them to a mechanic shop, and they just leave them in the field. Okay, they just leave stuff everywhere. They're doing a good job. I give them that. But whenever you leave a tractor in an area and you don't cover it with a tarp, and someone comes and fucks and messes with it, or it get rained on, or lightning storm, and then you gotta fix the tires, then you gotta fix the engine, then your fuses go out. I mean, it just sucks. If they would have just put tarps on things, they wouldn't have to fix anything.